Hello student, today we are solving the CUET PG Economics question paper और इसको मैं bilingual रखा हूँ इस वीडियो को. स्टेटमेंट 1 एक दिया है कि सिंपल लीनियर रिग्रेशन मॉडल विद एन इंटरसेप्ट अगर है, ओके, लीनियर रिग्रेशन y इक्वल टू अल्फा प्लस बीटा x, ठीक है. So the regression of the slope of the multiplied by the exponential variable x will give the predicted value of y. बिल्कुल सही है. The simple linear regression model is finding the predictable value. And this is the fundamental concept of the regression analysis. So dependent variable will give the value with respect to the independent variable. Statement 2, the simple linear regression model is actually the regression slope indeed indicates how many units of y increases for 1 unit of increase of x. So unit wise this calculation, this is true and this is true. So both the statements are correct. So option number 1 is correct, and so here option 1 is correct. Next 27 is which of the following is the principal operating instrument of the monetary policy of RBI currently? This is the repo rate. Here the wrong options are actually remember that bank rate is the important policy tool, but the repo rate is currently considered the principal operating. कैश रिजर्व रेशियो क्या है कि बैंक के पास कितना कैश रहेगा और कितना रिजर्व के साथ रहेगा. सो हाउ टू हाउ मच मनी दे कैन गिव अवे टू द पीपल एज लोन. सो दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल और ऑपरेटिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट, ठीक है. रेपो रेट मोर कॉमनली एडजस्टेड और स्टैट्यूटरी लिक्विडिटी रेशियो भी है, लेकिन presently under these circumstances similarly CRR SLR is also used by the RBI, but it is not the principal one, ठीक है. Next is 27 तो हो गया, 28 में चलते हैं. इतने सारे लैंग्वेज के ऊपर दिया है, कभी बार कन्फ्यूजन है. जैसे ये हम लोग का एक्स्ट्रा, देखिए इसमें ये हम लोग का इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है नहीं, सिर्फ यहाँ पर 28 लिखने से हो जाता, इतना सही देने से हो जाता. ये ऑप्शन में भी इतने सारे ऑप्शंस. समटाइम्स आई फील अ लिटिल बिट इरिटेटेड विद दिस ऑप्शंस, and then again another version they could have made very easily 2 separate papers or similarly back to back one questions. There's no point of making like this. Okay, तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते. Function strictly concave, ये in the interval I, so the following inequality holds. So f of lambda a 1 minus lambda into b, lambda f of a 1 minus lambda f of b. So let's analyze the given options. So f of this thing is lambda, ये 4 है. Let evaluate each option अगर लेंगे. So option 1 is incorrect because the correct one should be f of lambda a plus 1 minus lambda into b, but here it is given as b is as a separate part, so this is wrong for the first. Second के हिसाब से जाएंगे, option 2 is strictly concavity of the function and it is correct one, ठीक है. And option 3 is incorrect because again but here it is f of 1 minus lambda, but this is lambda a and 1 minus lambda b, so it is like lambda a, this should be the thing. And the last but not the least is also incorrect because f of lambda a 1 minus lambda into b, but it is here it is f of 1 minus lambda. So here in this case directly we can go for B as the answer, okay, or 2 as the answer in this case. So 28 done. So 29 में question है, which body decides the shares of the states in the tax revenue of the center in India. So the share of states in the tax revenue of the center of the India is determined by the finance commission, ठीक है. And the finance commission is constituted body established under the article 280, ये आप लोगों को जानना है. 30 नंबर क्वेश्चन में चलेंगे. इसके बाद है Daniel Thorner referred to colonial investment in dash as a private investment at public risk. So this answer is in the context of railways, okay. So private investment in public risk.